Money problem. Leave these money problems behind when you enter 2025. बहुत हो गया, it's really too much. And if you're someone who's struggling with manifestation techniques for money, then this video is for you. And if you're someone who never practiced manifestations, then maybe you can just watch this video. But this video is actually for advanced practitioners of manifestations, because they understand the depth of the feelings and emotions, and how you go about manifestation techniques. So just go accordingly, right? The practice that I'm going to share here is Ho'oponopono for money, and it is to be done slightly differently. So you have to watch the video till the end to understand it completely. And those of you who are meeting me for the first time, I'm Shilpa Arora Sharma, and I'm a manifestation coach for leaders. And I help people manifest success in their work specifically, and also it involves improving their relationships, their personal energy for health and happiness, overall well-being. So people manifest sales with me. People manifest team synergy with me. People manifest attracting collaborations and big projects, big deals. Real estate people are there. I have students who are CEO of big corporations, and they manifest big deals for themselves. So a lot of things are done. But today in this video, I'm specifically talking about Ho'oponopono. And it's not just a practice, it's magic. The thing is that when I work with many people, then I help them solve different complex problems using the manifestation techniques. And anything and everything that I share here is all tried and tested. So you can just go through it and just start using it and see those changes coming into your life. So when you will watch this video and you will apply the technique, you will see the shift. Now if you do it properly, immediately the shift will come. And the moment you feel the shift inside you, it means the manifestation technique is properly done, and you can start expecting results in the environment also. All right, so let's look at this. And of course, I welcome you to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on anything that I post, because agar aapne subscribe nahi kiya, so you will not know what am I posting next, and it is all full of experiences. So you better subscribe and just stay tuned to my next video, which is coming up. All right, so today I'm covering this Hawaiian practice, Ho'oponopono. This practice was introduced by a Hawaiian healer in 1976. I remember her name clearly. Her name was Nalamaku Timeona, and she did this wonderful thing by creating simple phrases like "I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you." Now, if you look at the phrases, what simple phrases and what magic do they do? So, first, essentially, simplicity means that your subconscious processes them very easily. And because I work on 7 chakra emotional energy, all these 4 phrases work on your gratitude and open your blocks of heart chakra. So anyone and everyone jiska heart chakra blocked, people who are like shut down from the world, who do not want to talk to anyone, and they have a lot of resentment and grudges inside them. For those people, this prayer is just going to work like a magic, because it will just open your heart chakra, and frequency, all the vibrations will start going to the universe, and your things will start working. So it is just that you do them repetitively, and the method is also very simple to do it. So one of my students, we were sending him lot of daily activities for money manifestations and money affirmations. And the best and easiest affirmation is abundance comes easily and naturally to me, and still it was not working for him. So we realized that his money energy needs healing. So we started giving him this prayer, and then it just got unblocked. First there was an internal shift, and then it just got unblocked, and things started to change for him. So what essentially happens is, as if you have done Ho'oponopono before, then you would know that it is done for other person. Now in relationships, like if you are stuck, if you're on loggerheads with someone, or if you let's say had a fight with your spouse, and if you do Ho'oponopono for your spouse or that person, then your situation changes. Now what is with the money energy? So money energy, take it as another person only, because in manifestations we take money as energy, and there is a relationship between you and the money energy. All right, so now if this relationship is tense, let's say there was a time money was not there, and then you cursed literally money, that I don't have the money, or money is never there for me. And so what happens is this person feels bad because money would think, she never takes care of me. She doesn't even know how to call me. She doesn't even know how to keep me. And still I'm there for her, but still she is ungrateful. So that thing comes. So the relationship between you and the money energy gets strained. So what you have to do in Ho'oponopono is that you will do these 4 phrases for the money energy. So you can just modify it also a bit. I'm sorry, money, you were always there, but I didn't see you. Please forgive me. Thank you very much for being there always. Even I did not know, what to do. Still, you were always there. And I love you. I love you, money. I love you, money. Things like that. You can just tweak it a little bit and do Ho'oponopono for money. And how it has to be done is that, either you do it 11 times, or you can just count these fingers, right? Or you can take a 108 bead mala, that necklace with 108 beads. It's very, very prominent in India that you get that beaded necklace. So, for example, I'll just show you this. You say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, and then you change the bead. So like that, you count, do 4 phrases and count one bead. So this is the way you have to do 108 times for your money energy. First thing will happen is you will see the shift inside you, and then secondly, the shift will start happening outside. All right. And just see it like this, if you are manifesting money without healing your money energy, so it works like this, as if you have a jar which has a lot of holes. Up, you try to fill it with abundance and it will start leaking. The same thing which happens when you are doing money affirmations and you're not healed. So one way money is coming and then you are cursing money for this or that, or you really feel the lacks, then it just all will leak out. It will not stay there for you. So it means the money will come, but money will leak out. You will never really feel abundant with the money. So when you do Ho'oponopono for money energy, you are really making that jar all good. All the holes are filled, and when the abundance is poured in, it will not leak out. So this is what Ho'oponopono would do for you. It will really, really heal your money energy, so that when you receive abundance, it really comes and stays with you, and you really feel soaked up. Okay, now I have abundance. You are really going to enjoy it a lot. So I remember one of my students, he is in real estate, and his money was really stuck somewhere. There was a deal which he was supposed to crack, and he had given some money to this guy, and the deal didn't work out, and he didn't get the money back. अब वो क्या कर रहा था? He started cursing this guy. मेरा पैसा नहीं दे रहा और गंदा आदमी है, and he was saying a lot of things like that. And I advised him to do Ho'oponopono for this person. That I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Sorry, sorry, it was also my mistake, and I had this learning. Please forgive me. I thought bad things about you. I didn't understand you. And thank you. Thank you for you had all the good intentions for me. And yeah, I love you. I love you as my colleague, and I want to be with you. So he was doing this, and in I think it was 6 days that he got the money back. Some portion of the money came, and then remaining also came in within few days. So that's how you can also try this. And if you have lent money to someone, it will also come back. So you have to just now, don't have to wait, get into Ho'oponopono and start feeling the magic. And if you comment your experience below, like once you try really this practice and you do it and you receive your experiences, I would be very happy to read your comments. And I'll also share with you my free guide on money affirmations, because then once your money energy is healed, you can literally do anything and everything with money manifestations. All right, so time to rise and shine. Enter 2025 with healed money energy and manifest a lot of money. Happy manifesting. See you in the next video.